Hi, this is Mickey. After a long day at work, it's important to relax and stretch our muscles. Let's do some simple stretching exercise together. Start with neck stretches. Gently tilt your head to each side, holding for a few seconds. This helps relieve neck tension. Now, let's stretch our shoulders. Bring one arm across your body and gently pull it with the other hand. For your back, try the cat-cow stretch. It releases tension in your spine and improves flexibility. Let's move to leg stretches. Sit down and reach for your toes. This stretch is great for your hamstrings. The butterfly pose is excellent for opening your hips and improving groin flexibility. Stretch your arms by interlocking your fingers and stretching them above your head. Finish with some deep breathing exercises to relax your mind and body. That's all for today. I hope you feel more relaxed and remember to take time for yourself every day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care and stay healthy.